Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to provide feedback or suggestions for Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. To provide feedback or suggestion, you can follow these steps. Go to the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet and log in using your credential. Then click on the settings icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down until you see Rate Us option. Click on it and provide the feedback. You can also visit the official website. Go to the official website of Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Look for contact or support page. There may be option to submit feedback or reach out directly via email. You can also follow Unstoppable Crypto Wallet on social media platform to stay updated and engaged with their posts. Participate in community discussion in platforms like Reddit or Telegram, where users and developers interact. If you have specific feature request, see if there is a dedicated platform like GitHub repository or feedback board where user can submit and vote on feature requests. If you prefer more formal approach, you can email the support team directly. Go to the application and go to the settings. There you can see Contact Us button. Click on it and click on via email. You can also participate in surveys. Company may send out survey to gather user feedback. If you receive one, take the opportunity to provide the thoughts. By using these methods, you can effectively share your feedback or suggestion for improvements to the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet, helping enhance the user experience for everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.